Okay, here we go. On your marks. Get set.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Barry and this is Sanat.
Today we're going to compare the most similar cars on the market. The Tesla Model 3 and the Dodge Challenger.
Obviously these two cars are different, but they happen to be extremely popular here in LA, and they also happen to be only two cars we've had since we started living here. So we figured we could share our 100% super authentic perspectives on these two cars.
And just keep in mind, we're not car experts by any means. This is going to be a legitimate comparison. We're not going to do features or anything like that.
Yeah, instead we're going to go through a list of 10 questions. The goal was to go for things that would actually be relatable and useful for most day-to-day people.
More like lifestyle questions, things that are important when it comes to a car.
We have these Ferrero Rochers, and anytime we answer a question and the point goes to the Tesla, we'll put it over here. Anytime a point goes to the Challenger, we'll put a Ferrero Rocher into here.
Sounds good to me.
And at the end of the video, we'll see which car ends up getting the most points.
Let's do it. Question number 1. Which car is better to eat a meal in? The most important aspect of a car, eating.
3, 2, 1.
Tesla.
Challenger. Right, here's my reasoning, okay? With the Challenger, we ate a lot in our car.
True.
And it always felt so low stakes, because in your head it's like, it's just a Challenger. If we make a mess, no big deal. Imagine making a mess in a Tesla. It's like, wow, it's a Tesla and we got it messed up. Like, I feel like the stakes are so high.
One of their selling points about these seats, they can easily be wiped down no matter what you spill on it. Like, have you seen the TikToks?
Like, would we actually be okay if we made a mess on those seats?
I mean, it should wipe off easily, so I'm fine with it.
Let's go. You want to go test it?
No, that's high risk.
Exactly. Question number 2. Which car is better for road trips?
It's a very important question, actually.
3, 2, 1.
Dodge
Tesla.
Challenger. Oh, spicy.
Really?
Opposites.
What? How? We've done road trips in the Challenger and it's so exhausting.
Well,
You're cramped in this car for hours and hours. Like in the Tesla, you're gonna be comfortable. It's gonna be a nice experience.
It's mainly about the gas versus electric situation. Imagine you're doing a road trip, right? And you're gonna start from Los Angeles, and then you're going all the way to New York. That's a long road trip. You know how much extra time you will spend charging the car?
Yeah, but like
that's crazy.
But like at the charging stations, you can watch Netflix, you can watch YouTube. Is it really that big of a deal?
I guarantee it will add like an extra day to do a cross-country road trip just with charging.
Dramatic.
I'm gonna stick with my answer.
Okay.
Opposites. Question number 3. Which car is better for arguments? This is very important, you know, getting a lot of debates with our friends, arguments between us, like, which one's better for that?
Sounds like a silly question, but it is important.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Tesla.
Challenger.
Okay, this is weird.
Wow, we split again. This is not stable.
I
I'm
swear.
serious.
Because we just have very opposite opinions.
Why would you say the Tesla?
Because I feel like there's a lot of opportunity to lighten up the mood. You got the whoopee cushions. You got that fireplace. A lot of opportunities. Just like, you know, let's stop arguing and move on.
That's beautiful. I love the positive approach. It's a very sweet way to think about this. I was thinking about it totally from the opposite perspective, where if I was in an argument and I wanted to put my foot down and make a point, I want to be in the Challenger and rev my engine, make a loud sound, get that masculine energy out.
This is the most like man answer I've ever heard. Ooh, tied. How exciting.
All right, next question. Which car is better for sleeping?
Ooh, kind of hard for me to answer. I can't fall asleep anywhere. Like, I can't fall asleep on planes, cars, anywhere. Like, it has to be a bed. Neither car is great for this, which is why I'm struggling.
You gotta give it a 3, 2, 1.
Tesla. Oh, nice. Finally agreed.
I think it's pretty clear. Like, it's just more comfortable. It's more spacious than the Tesla.
It's true. And apparently, you can like fit like a twin bed mattress when you pull down the back seats.
Oh yeah, I saw
That's
that
like a
video.
thing.
I saw that.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah.
So like, if you can do that, maybe I can actually sleep there. I don't know. Tesla's in the lead. Question number 5. Which car is better for parents with kids?
Parents with kids as opposed to parents without kids?
I realized as I said it.
3, 2, 1.
Tesla. Yeah, honestly, I feel like that's a no-brainer. It's a 4-door car. That's
yeah, sounds so annoying to have to like pull over the front seats, let your kids in. Can you even have a child seat in the back seat of a Challenger? I don't even know if that's a thing.
I don't know. I hope not. That doesn't feel safe.
Next question. Which car would impress more people?
Ooh, spicy.
3, 2, 1.
Dodge Challenger.
Yeah, I remember when I first got this car, I was really taken aback by how many people would just point out and say,
crazy.
Nice car, bro. Nice car, dude. And on the crosswalk, people would walk by and be like, I like your car. I don't know why. Something about the Challenger just has that kind of draw from people.
It's true.
I'm surprised you didn't say Tesla though, because I feel like you really like the Tesla.
Okay, I would say Tesla normally, But since we said impress people in general, like I feel like in the Dodge Challenger, a lot of people complimented the car, especially with California and Tesla, Silicon Valley. Like that type of car is viewed as a nerdy car. Like I'm sorry, it's true, it's true. So like I just feel like a Dodge Challenger looks cooler, I guess.
Yeah, and we're probably a little biased because we had a Challenger with 2 racing stripes on it.
Yeah, oh, spicy. Dodge Challenger's catching up, oh no.
Yep, don't sleep on the Challenger.
Which car is better for pets?
3, 2, 1.
Tesla.
Yeah. I mean, you got the glass roof, which is really nice. We have our cat Coco. When we put her in the Tesla, she likes to look up and just kind of like sunbathe.
Like, wow. We asked her real quick to confirm it's the right answer. Hey Coco, what do you think? Which car?
I like the Tesla better. I can see the sky. In the Challenger, there is a sunroof where I can peek my head out, but I like to have the full sky visible for me.
Tesla.
2 more for the Tesla. All right, question number 8. Which car is better to self-isolate in?
What does that even mean? What kind of question is that?
Imagine the year is 2050. The world is going crazy. Zombies, disease, fires everywhere.
Okay.
You can only be in your car because it's a safe sanctuary.
Okay.
Would you rather be in the Tesla or would you rather be in the Challenger?
I don't even...
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
3, 2, 1.
Tesla.
No, I changed my answer to Challenger.
Oh.
Technology will be taking over the future.
What?
Technology will come to a...
You said it was zombies, now there's tech.
You don't know what... If this is a crazy situation, the Tesla's computer might come to life and kill you.
You're like a skeptical old man about technology.
The Challenger is from the Stone Age.
From the Stone Age?
It doesn't have a life on its own. The computer in there is not going to take over your body. You're going to be safe. And there's gas. There's no, electricity is not going to be readily available.
Have you ever seen zombie movies? Gas stations are not available anymore.
I know it sounds like all these nice features in the Tesla would be nice, but you can't let your guard down.
Whatever.
You never know.
Whatever. Next question. Which car is more affordable? Very important question, I would say.
3, 2, 1.
Dodge
Tesla.
Challenger. Oh, are you okay? It's like very obvious which one is cheaper.
All right, hear me out. Obviously, if you go by like the base price of the cheapest model, the Challenger is going to be cheaper. But if you think from a 5-year plus time frame, the Tesla is going to be a better financial decision. You're going to save so much money on gas. You're going to be tax incentives from the government for EV vehicles. There's basically no cost for maintenance, which there will be for the Challenger for sure.
We don't know that yet.
And it retains its value super well, the Tesla. So like, it's definitely going to be a much better financial decision. As long as you can think from like, 5 years plus.
You're talking about like an investment. You're such a stonks kind of dude. When I think of like affordable cars, I think of cars that their baseline price is more affordable than another type of car. Very obvious, all Challengers are cheaper at the baseline, the price that you have to pay.
Challengers can get like really pricey, like a Hellcat for 60 grand plus.
Yeah, but let's just talk baseline, Dodge Challenger, baseline Tesla.
As long as you can think from a long time frame, Tesla is a more affordable choice.
Alright.
Okay, so we're down to our last question. It looks like the Tesla's in the lead, and I don't think the Challenger can make it back. Why don't we make things a little more interesting? This last question, winner takes all.
Ooh, it's like Jeopardy.
Is that how Jeopardy works?
I think it's how Jeopardy works.
That means we gotta make it a good question, and that question is, which car would win in a race?
Oh, I mean, I feel like we should just like test it out. Like, how are we supposed to answer this? Why not go do it?
Why not?
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, we're about to race.
We are about to race.
Okay, this is pretty exciting. We've got an empty road. What are the rules? Hammer your feet on the pedal and don't stop until we hit the finish line.
Yes, sir.
Any last words?
I'm scared.
Okay, here we go. On your marks. Get set. 3, 2, 1, go! Man, I'm getting smoked. Holy crap. Oh my god. I got smoked. On the first try, Sanad jumped the gun a little bit. We're gonna take another try. Take 2. All right, rev your engines.
I don't have an engine. I can't do this.
On your marks. Get set. Go! Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wow. It's not even close. Man, it's not even
Oh
close.
my. Wow. I can like
Man.
feel myself
Holy
being
crap.
pushed.
I got smoked
Whew.
again.
Oh my god, my stomach dropped. It's like a roller coaster. It's so fun.
There you have it, folks. Tesla Model 3 versus Dodge Challenger. It's a pretty clear winner. The trophy goes to the Tesla Model 3.
Hope you enjoyed our silly little comparison video. Really, both of these cars are amazing vehicles in my opinion.
And I hope that this has convinced at least one person out there which car they should choose between. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this, subscribe for some more.
Peace and love, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!